Let me introduce this new model Honda CB 350. Let's hear the exhaust sound. Awesome to hear. 46 km per liter is the RI certified mileage. The thrilling exhaust punch sound makes us very thrilling to ride this sport bike. The engine displacement is approximately 348.5 cc. That is the 350 cc engine. 4-stroke SI engine is coming. 30 Nm at 3000 rpm is the torque produced. Air-cooled 4-stroke single-cylinder engine. See the new headlamps. Crystal clear side LED indicators. Honda CB 350 is a Japanese make model bike with 21 PS at 5500 rpm. 4-stroke single-cylinder engine. The ex-showroom price for this model ranges from 2 lakh to 2,20,000. 5-speed 30 Nm producing sports bike. 30 Nm at 3000 rpm is the torque produced. Look, the headlamps, it's awesomely crafted. Also the alloy wheels. Broad and wide tire profile. Strong huge 350cc engine. Look, the odometer, it's well crafted, crystal clear.